I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device runs iOS 26 and that you have an iCloud backup ready. Once done, free at least a couple gigabytes and make sure Wi-Fi is stable. This prevents mid-process failures. Next, disable Bluetooth to avoid accessory interruptions and plug into power or ensure battery above 50%. You need a current iCloud backup because removing the update may erase settings. This protects your data and gives you a recovery point if anything goes wrong. Now you perform the core actions. Install a signed configuration profile or on-device IPSWA via Safari if available. This tells the phone to accept the older build. Once the profile is installed, follow the correct button sequence to enter recovery or DFU mode. This is required to allow the restore. Then run the on-device restore utility provided by the profile or a vetted App Store tool, watch progress, and do not interrupt network or power. These steps replace system files and revert the OS safely when signing is permitted. Finish by restoring your iCloud backup after the device boots to the older iOS. Confirm apps, messages, and accounts are present. Make sure automatic updates are turned off in settings so the device does not reapply iOS 26. If the restore fails, retry entering DFU mode and reapply the signed profile, because transient network or signing issues often cause problems. If repeated attempts don't work, seek a reputable local repair or Apple-authorized service that can perform an authenticated restore safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.